In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to notify Charles Schwab of travel on mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app, what information to enter, and a few key tips to make sure your card keeps working smoothly while you're away. First, open the Charles Schwab mobile app and sign into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the More option or the menu icon. Different versions of the app may label this slightly differently, but it's usually at the bottom right or top left of the screen. Tap that to open the full list of options. From here, navigate to either Client Service or Manage Cards. Not every account shows the same wording, so don't worry if you only see one of these. If you're in Client Service, you'll find an option called Travel Notices. If you went into Manage Cards, look for Travel Notices there. Both paths lead to the same place. Next, choose Add Travel Notice. The app will prompt you to enter your travel details. Start by adding your travel dates, including the start and end date that cover your entire trip. Then enter your destination or destinations. If you're visiting multiple countries, include each one so your card activity won't be flagged unexpectedly. After that, select the debit card you plan to use while traveling. If you have more than one card on your account, you'll add a notice for each card individually by repeating this same process. When everything looks accurate, tap Submit. Here's what that does behind the scenes. Submitting a travel notice tells Schwab's systems to expect card activity from the locations and dates you provided. This helps prevent legitimate purchases from being declined as possible fraud. It also improves security monitoring while you're abroad, making it more likely that unusual activity will be caught without blocking your normal transactions. A few important tips to keep things running smoothly. Add your travel notice before you leave, ideally as early as you can, so the information is already in place when you land. If you don't see travel notices under Client Service, check Manage Cards, since the location can vary by account type. Double-check that your dates and destinations match your itinerary, especially if you're connecting through multiple countries. And if you carry multiple Schwab debit cards, remember to submit a separate notice for each one. That's it. Quick, clear, and effective. With your travel notice in place, you can focus on your trip while your card is set up to work where and when you need it.